Welcome. My name's Arna, and today I'm going to show you how to send email from Active Club Manager using SocketLabs. A little about SocketLabs. SocketLabs is a email marketing tool like MailChimp and Constant Contact and Vertical Response. But it has one unique feature with Active Club is that the email tracking data transfers into Manager automatically, and that's a big plus. So that's why we include it in this set of videos on email campaigns. So the way you use it, and this will be evolving because we are working closely with SocketLabs, but the way it works today is you will then transfer your email data to SocketLabs, and it's transferred as a list into a list. Then you send your email, and then you watch the tracking in Active Club. So let's have a look at it. So here is a list, a small list of customers, just 4. So I'm going to right-click, send custom email using SocketLabs. I'm going to log in. And this will take us into our dashboard. Click on View Our Server. And here we are. This is my private account. I signed up for my own account with SocketLabs. They come in various subscription forms. So mine, the one that I'm using right now is free, $2,000 a month, and you can go up to $5,000 a month for $15 and so on. So now on to email marketing. Let's go to our recipient list, and you'll see it is empty, and we're going to be using the video demo list here today. So let me highlight the 4 customers I'm going to transfer. Right-click, send custom email, upload to email application. Wait for it to download the list of lists from SocketLabs. We're going to pick this one, and we shall hit go. So now it is started to transfer this data up to SocketLabs. We're going to hit the refresh key. There they are. Now let's send the email. We're going to go over to email marketing, over to our content. And we've made an email here for this demo. Let's go take a peek. So this is the email we made using their templates and their design tool. They have these things called sections, which are easy to make these layouts. Let's exit from that. And then we'll send our email out. Click on this one. Send. We're going to pick the profile of the sender. You can store profiles as they quickly fill in. We'll put pickup party as our subject. October pickup party. And we're going to send it to this list. And we selected send now. Send. Voila. It's done. Easy as that. Now if I go over to Active Club's email tracking, here you can see those 4 emails went out. Now the subject has been converted into this number, and we're working with SocketLabs to get this to be our true number. You can see George opened the email here in the bottom right-hand corner. If I refresh again, you'll see there's an open. He's also done a click. And this is what he clicked on. We're working with SocketLabs to get our subject line in here, but in the meantime, we're going to be dealing with this number probably a month away. And if I go to the report section in SocketLabs to their delivered messages, this is where you can, it does have the name of the subject here, and this is the number. It ends with 820. If I go back here, you see this is the ones at 820. This is another email I was sent earlier, which is 819. So it's full tracking, and you got all the facilities of the SocketLab tool set. You can see here is the opening, and look at today. And you've got all the facilities of SocketLabs built right in. So that's all there is to it. How do we set this up? So in SocketLabs, to set up SocketLabs, we have entry in the merchant table in Manager. And this is what this shows. Let me show you in Manager what that looks like. Click on Merchant. Open up the Merchant. And here you see at the bottom where I'm circling is the data that we need to make your own SocketLabs account work and do the tracking. On the tracking, for this to function, we need to set a communication up between your SocketLabs account and your database. And this is what this screen at SocketLabs is all about. And we will help you with this portion of the setup. That is, if you are, want to use the email event tracking feature. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for coming. Till the next time, bye-bye.